Hi guys! Welcome sa SIP9. In this video ay tutuloy natin yung series natin on solving rational equations. So sa video na to ang gagawin natin ay isosolve natin yung rational equation na nakikita ninyo sa inyong screen. We have 2 over x equals x plus 1 over x squared minus 1. So napag-aralan natin sa pagkuha ng LCD ng rational expressions na pag meron tayong polynomial denominators, kailangan natin siyang i-factor, no? So here we have polynomial denominator. That's a binomial in particular, which is x squared minus 1. And the factor is equal to x plus 1 times x minus 1. Ibig sabihin, we want to get the LCD of x. Tapos yung x squared minus 1, which when factored is equal to x plus 1 times x minus 1. So yung tatlong expressions na yan. And kung makikita ninyo, unique silang lahat. Ano ba yung napag-aralan natin pag unique lahat? So pag unique lahat ng expressions, the LCD is their product. So meaning the LCD here is x times x plus 1 times x minus 1. So, ano mangyayari ngayon pag nakuha na natin yung LCD? We multiply both sides of the equation by the LCD. So, meaning, x times x plus 1 times x minus 1 times 2 over x. That's equal to x times x plus 1 times x minus 1 times x plus 1 over, instead of x squared minus 1, maganda yung factored form na ilagay natin para hindi tayo mahirapan later pag nag-cancel tayo. Okay, so paano mangyayari dun sa left-hand side ng equation natin? Maka-cancel ito, no? We can cancel this. So meron tayong 1. And ibig sabihin, the left-hand side will become 2 times 2 over 1 is just 2, di ba? And then the other factors. So 2 times 1 is 2. And then times x plus 1 times x minus 1. So x plus 1 times x minus 1 equals, dito ano makakancel dito? We can cancel x minus 1. And then x plus 1. And ang matitira ay, so magiging x times 1 times 1 times x plus 1 divided by 1 times 1, which is just 1. So meaning the right-hand side of the equation is equal to x times x plus 1. And then we expand. We have 2 times x plus 1 times x minus 1 is x squared minus 1. So that's equal to x squared plus x. And distributing 2 over x squared minus 1, we have 2x squared minus 2 is equal to x squared plus x. Subtracting x squared plus x from both sides of the equation, we have 2x squared minus x squared, and then minus x minus 2 is equal to 0. So yung x squared, ito na yan. Minus natin from both sides, and yung x, ito na rin. So this means that this is equal to x squared minus x minus 2 is equal to 0. And if we factor, we have x minus 2 times x plus 1 is equal to 0, which means that x equals 2 and x equals negative 1. So itong dalawa yung ating solutions. X equals 2 and x equals negative 1. Pero hindi pa yan final, no? Kasi pag may values dito sa dalawang ito that will make the expressions in the original equation undefined, hindi siya pwede, no? So check natin. Di ba yung isang solution niya ay 2? Pag sinubstitute ba natin yung 2 dito sa x, tsaka sa x squared, magiging undefined ba yung any of the expressions? Hindi, no? What about negative 1? Pag sinubstitute natin yung negative 1 dito, okay lang. Pero pag dito, so this is negative 1 squared minus 1. This is 1 minus 1. This is 0. So, ibig sabihin magiging 0 itong denominator natin. Which means na undefined siya. Ano ibig sabihin nun? Ang ibig sabihin, ito ay solution, pero ito ay hindi. Ang tawag natin sa ganito ay extraneous solution. Again, yan yung sinasabi ko sa inyo na you have to check with the original equation. And be sure na hindi undefined yung mga expressions doon sa equation na yun. Alright, so sana ay may natutunan kayo sa video na to. Huwag niyo kalimutan mag-subscribe. Invite your friends and always keep safe. See you!